I can't wait for you guys to see the video on this super cute look. A lot of people have been asking me about how I put on my lace wig, and I decided to make a video on how I slay my lace. Okay, so if you want to know how to achieve this look and put on a wig the right way, stay tuned. This was actually my first custom wig that I made with a sewing machine. I was so proud of myself. Like, what? It's so much easier to make a wig on a sewing machine. Well, at least a lot more quicker. I'm goofy, you guys. Excuse me. Before you start tacking your lace down, be sure to have some clips so you can clip the hair out the way. Nothing is more annoying than when the hair to the extension is, stuck at the bottom or to the glue. So just go ahead and pull it away a little bit from where you're going to put the glue. Make sure not to get any glue on your edges. But if you do, it's okay. Just use 91% rubbing alcohol to get the glue off. I'm using bolt hold to tack down my lace because bolt hold has such a natural lay compared to other glues. It's not super sticky, super gooey. It is super sticky, but it's not super gooey like other glues that I've used in the past. So I love it, and when it melts, honey, it melts like there's no question about it. I love it. Be careful with this part. You just want to take your lace and slowly relax your face so you don't get no wrinkles. Slowly place the lace exactly on the glue. It's kind of hard for me because I'm trying to look at the mirror and let you guys see what I'm doing at the same time. Yep. And then take a foiling comb and just kind of rub the comb through it. Make sure not to get your hand directly on top of the lace because you don't want to, one, darken the glue, and two, just don't put your hand directly on the glue, okay? On the lace. Once you put it down, just use the comb to comb it down so that way any oils that are on your fingers won't get on the lace. A lot of people try to make it seem like this is easy. It is not easy, you guys. I literally put on my lace 4 times before I finally understood the concept of how to lay down my lace. So if you still can't lay your own lace, girl, it is okay. I'm a whole hairstylist, and it's a mission. It's really a mission because you got to have the right lace. You got to have the right tint. You got to have the right glue, or else the whole thing is just a waste, Then you'll be walking around here looking like you got curtains for edges, and you don't want to do that, You want to do the whole, oh, look, no baby hair look, and all that good stuff. Now, look, this is my lace now. Excuse the whiteness. I will clean that later. Secure the ears, you guys. Secure the ears, because they are the first little daredevils to want to lift. Okay, so just make sure that you pay a lot more attention to tacking down the side of your ears than you do the whole thing, because once the ears are up, the whole thing is coming up for sure. For those of you who have difficulty doing your baby hairs, it's okay, baby. It's okay. All right. It's going to take a minute. It's just going to take a minute. Okay. But one day, very soon, you will get it. Promise you. Because I struggled, child, to do my baby hairs for the longest. But we have gotten better. Yes, we have, you know, so you too shall grow. Once that is all done, you can remove the strip now. So I'm going to use my wax stick just to, you know, lay my part a little bit. I don't like to go in and pluck too much of my parting because I like a free part. I like to part it wherever the moon sets, or if the hair just wants to, you know, flip backwards altogether. Hey, you know, I just want the hair to move naturally. So I never really, you know, define my parts. All I do is use a hot comb to kind of lay the part so my parts can be more defined. Look at that lace. It looks so good. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, wait on it, wait on it. Did you guys enjoy that video? I know I sure did. I am feeling this wig, okay? Feeling myself, ready for it. If you are also feeling this wig, you can get your own custom wig at faithfullygc.com. If you just want the bundles, because these curls are killing it, you can get your bundles at faithfullygc.com. I will leave the link down below, so make sure to click and get your bundles today. So don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms, IG, Twitter, and Facebook, so you can see more of what I do. And if you would like to book, be sure to book at faithfullygc.com. See you next time. Bye.